Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I had to pull out the colored hair. If you haven't seen the review on this, I'll leave it in the description box so you guys can check it out. Because it's been a while since I came at you with a colored wig because I've been slacking lately. So I decided to, bring her out today. I'm giving very much, I don't know what I'm giving, but I got inspired by Cardi B because I talked about it in my last video. If you guys didn't check it out, you guys can check it out. I have some breakouts, so I was doing a facial or like a mask thing, and I still have braille on my face, but I still wanted to come at you with this makeup tutorial because I thought Cardi B looked freaking phenomenal in her live that I saw. And she also had blue hair, so that's why I did do this blue hair, even though her hair was darker. But hopefully I did that makeup justice because it was so hard. This is my second trying to do this makeup, and it's like the most neutral, like natural glam you can do. But I feel like the first time it was like super muddy, but this time I feel like I can see the different layers of colors, which is nice. So if you want to see how to do this look on my face right now, just keep on watching. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette for this makeup look, and I started off with a warm brown in my crease. I focused mostly on my crease and a little bit on the outer corner as well, just to start it off. And then I went in with a darker brown in the outer V, and I'm focusing the color like very, very straight. So it looks like kind of like a wing eyeliner basically with my eyeshadows. I want that line to be sharp, so I've been focusing on just making it straight. And then I went in with a darker color and I focused it in the innermost outer corner. Also focusing it, making it sharp, like a sharp line, very V shape. And then I'm going to cut my crease with a concealer stick. Just make sure the concealer stick is like 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, just so that it shows up. And if you have a hooded lid, it is good to go higher. I'm still working on that. I still have to figure out where my cut crease needs to lay. So I feel like I should have went higher in that department, but it still looked good when I close my eyes. But when I open it, you can't really tell that it's a cut crease, but it's a-okay. And then we're gonna set that concealer with the eyeshadow, like a lighter eyeshadow, like the same color as the concealer. Just so that it doesn't crease or move or anything like that. So I'm just patting it on all the places I put that concealer just to set it, and it also makes it a little bit brighter as well. And now I'm going to contour my face. I did add foundation. I'm showing you guys the contour powder. I don't know why I showed it upside down. The struggle was real, but I did put foundation on. It's the NARS foundation. I used the e.l.f. concealer, just the same-o. And now I'm just contouring with Mocha Mommy from Fenty. It's my favorite contouring powder right now. And I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. I just do a little 1-2 contour just so my face looks slim, like a filter. And then I'm going to add Candyman. I haven't used this highlighter in forever, so I was super excited when I found it. But it is from, what is it called? What the heck is it called? ColourPop. I don't even know if they make it anymore, but this was like my favorite highlighter. It's just gorgeous, very subtle. It's not too much, but it looks super natural. And then I'm going to add that same color in my inner corner. And I'm also going to add it to my upper lip just to highlight a little bit. And I believe I added it to my nose as well. I was going a little overboard with highlight. I don't even know if highlight is still a thing, but I do really like highlights. So now I'm going to line my eye. I'm going to do a wing line. Just follow the line that you did with that sharp V. So basically I'm just going to follow that line just to make it more like cat eye, more sharp, and make it all come together. I just love a good wing eyeliner. It's just freaking gorgeous. And then I'm going to follow up with some eyelashes. These are a winged eyelashes, so it's longer on the ends, shorter, and it tapers down, like shorter in the middle, then tapers down. You get what I'm saying. And then I'm going to add this. I think it's Madeline from NYX. It's my favorite nude lipstick. I'm just going to do that. And then I was listening to some music. If you guys can guess what I'm singing, I'll give you a hint. It's Drake. But what song is it? It's old, so good luck.
that's it.
So this is the finished look. It's like a natural glam, which is my absolute favorite. I love a nice neutral glam where it looks like you did a ton, but it still looks natural at the same time. And then it works really good with like colored hair. So, you know, we've had to do the blue because it's been a while since I've done like color. I feel like I've been slacking in the color department because before I used to be switching it up for you guys, and then I've been slacking, so I'm trying to bring it back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.